Uniswap has been a game changer to the crypto space. Not only has it helped the success of DeFi, decentralized finance, but it also is utilizing what crypto was built for, and that is decentralization. I remember when I got my Uni airdrop back in 2020, price was all the way back down here at about $2 or so. Now looking at this chart, price action has been one of the top performing cryptos in the past 6 months. No doubt about that. It's sitting right now in that $30 range. It's looking like it wants to continue to the upside. That's what we're going to cover in this video, the possible scenarios. So if you're a fan of Uniswap, you're going to want to stay tuned because this is going to be the first Uni analysis on our channel. Hey, what's up? It's good to see you again. For all the new people, my name is John, @RealJohnDoe on Twitter, and welcome to Currency.com's YouTube channel, where we give you guys the latest updates on the top cryptos, and we talk about support and resistance levels, trader sentiment, we talk about the news, and also we give you guys some price targets as we look at the price action. And in today's video, we're switching it up with a brand new fresh video on Uniswap. And this will be in fact the very first Uni analysis on our channel. And we will be adding more and more cryptos over time slowly. So let us know below in the comments which analysis you would like to see in future videos. And as you can see right here on our channel, we do answer all your requests and keep you guys updated on the latest top crypto news, price action. So you don't have to go looking at a bunch of different sources, and you can just come right to our videos and we put everything all in a video, giving you guys an update either weekly or monthly. In all our videos, we try to give a non-biased, no hype approach and giving you guys straight facts, news, and what we see the price action telling us. And we just keep it nice and simple. So if you are a fan of our channel or you're a fan of this video and you want to show your support to the channel, feel free to smash that like button, hit that thumbs up. We're going to try to get this video to about 500 likes, our first Uni analysis. But enough talking from me. Let's get into the video. And let's see what the trader sentiment is looking like right now. Okay, so we're here on Currency.com. We're going to look at Uni for today. Trader sentiment, bullish, 96% buyers, 4% sellers. The price is sitting at a support, potentially about to test support, but we'll see what happens. It is leaning towards a low of the day. Things could turn around quick. Let's talk about support and resistance levels now. All right, so now it's time to give you guys some support and resistance levels that I'm looking at right now for Uni. First support level, 29.50. And that is the 21-day moving average. If that breaks down, next level I'm looking at 27.50, and that is the 50-day EMA. And then the next level for support after that is right around 25.50, and that was the March lows. Towards the upside, if this uptrend does continue, we got 32.40 to watch, which was the monthly highs so far. And then right at about 34.50, which is the yearly high range. And then 36.60 would bring us right past to a new all-time high. Let's have a look here on Uniswap's website for a potential new update. For those of you who don't know, actually, Uniswap is a decentralized trading protocol, basically a decentralized exchange that is built on Ethereum. It's been a game changer for crypto and Ethereum, and also for DeFi, which is more than likely going to become the future of finance. Nice, simple user interface. Shows you how much liquidity right now there is, $8.13 billion. 1.25 billion in 24-hour volume. And if you look at this chart here, it has been continuously growing since June, and I don't think it's stopping anytime soon. So that will also continue to increase the price of Uniswap's token, Uni. Pretty simple to use Uniswap. Go on the website, you click swap, and then you click whatever token or crypto that you have on Ethereum that you want to swap for another token. And simple as that, you connect your wallet and you swap. There's no having to buy and sell, do this and that. And it will continue to grow as time goes on. There is some growth happening here. They are already announcing V3 for Uniswap. And this is set to deploy on May 5th. Here's a list of some of the updates that will be happening here. The most anticipated is for sure lower fees. But what kind of effect will this launch of V3 have on the price of Uni? And having a quick look here on CoinMarketCap, you can see Uniswap, Uni is now number 8 for the top cryptos, sitting at about a 16 billion market cap, and the token just launched in about late 2020. So you can see the growth and demand is pretty high for it right now. And this chart right now, it's telling no lies about that. We got breakout after breakout, price trending nice and smooth above the 21 and the 50-day moving average. You can see every time it touches it, we get a bounce off it. And realistically, I don't see this slowing down if crypto, Ethereum, and everything continues growing in adoption, because Uniswap is an essential part right now to the growth of crypto, such as DeFi, NFTs, and things like that. So the price of Uniswap's token will more than likely continue to stay in an uptrend as long as crypto continues to grow, because it's basically a liquidity provider towards crypto. And if more money is coming in, then their token demand also goes up. And right now you can see that UNI is in a potential breakout range, similar to how it was here back in February before March started. We could get a nice big candle to the upside to break out, to test all-time high, and then also continue to trend. So here's my bullish and bearish forecast. So on the bullish side, like I just mentioned, we could continue to range in here and then eventually break out of this wedge. And that will, in fact, continue the trend as you can see in the past. And we will continue to the upside and test potentially $50, which I'll mention here in a minute. I see that scenario. Another one I see on the bullish side is a rejection towards all-time high, and crypto cools down for a little bit. If we did get a rejection here, I guess the support would be down here. The major support would be in that low $20 range. As you can see, we do have quite a bit of consolidation and price action movement in that range. So if we were to reverse right now, I would look at that range as a potential buy to dip opportunity and a potential yearly lows, as long as no major support is broken. Things could also turn bearish. Multiple reasons. Could be crypto, in fact, tops out and starts to go into a bear market, or maybe even UNI could start losing some demand based on competitors. Then if that happens, we could get a rejection right where we are, go down to test the 21 and the 50-day moving average. We do have 2 support levels to hold in this range, so that is a good sign. But let's say they don't, we bounce, we'll test the highs again. Low $20 range is a possible buy the dip opportunity. I could see that happening. If it does not hold and we get a lower high again for potential double bottom, we'll need to see how that double bottom rounds out. It could do something like this, or that double bottom could just break right down. And this scenario is based on this point that we had here at about 36 being the top for the year. And we could even have something that breaks down much quicker any day now or sometime this month and brings us down in a downtrend. Because as you know, bears go faster than bulls. And that is the worst case scenario if something major happens and crypto gets into a bear market. But even if UNI does get some competition, I don't see it heading back down to these levels. I expect that low $20 range to hold for quite a bit if it does become tested. But now back to the bullish side, my price targets that I'm looking for the month of April. First one, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I do have some resistance levels to look at, but if we do break them, I do look at this $36 range to become tested later this month. And that is my first price target. And then after that, I'm looking into $40, somewhere between $40 to $50 would be where we would get that big long consolidation point, because $50 is a psychological resistance level. As you can see here, also we had $20, which was also a psychological resistance level. And we had quite a bit of days where the price went sideways. And I see that happening too if we head up towards $50. But if things do go down, then I see us breaking down, going to test that 50-day moving average, lower high, back down. And then my price targets for that, first one is this 50-day moving average. We did touch it just a few days ago, so it's not that far. It's in that high $20 range, but that's the first bearish target. And then my next bearish target, like I mentioned a few times in this video, is in that low $20 range. But I will continue to see both as buy to dip opportunities unless something major changes in crypto right now, because as we can see, the trend is upwards. Bitcoin is in an upwards trend, and so is Ethereum. And before we finish this up, let's have some indicator assistance. Look at this. We have an RSI that's in a healthy range. It just bottomed out here and it's recovering, ranging around 50. Williams percent range is also pulling in momentum. So this consolidation that we're in right now with the RSI around 50 could line up perfectly with the price breaking out of this wedge that it's in. Wait, there's one more thing I got to show you guys that I seen on my personal chart. Here is the MACD. Have a look here at what just happened on the MACD for UNI. We just had a bullish crossover, and every other time we've had bullish crossovers, we had quite a big jump in price. Back here at the beginning of the year in January, we had that bullish crossover right at the beginning of the year. And look at that, price is up over 500% since then. We had another bullish crossover in February, and look at that. Since that crossover, which where the price did break out of that wedge that it was in, the price is up about 45%. So if we do also gain some momentum from this bullish MACD crossover, then I do see a breakout of this wedge and continuation to the upside for UNI. I'll see you guys back in the next analysis. Maybe we'll be around that first price target range at about 36 or maybe even higher, close to $50. I'll keep you guys in the loop. That wraps up our very first analysis on Uniswap. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and it helps you out. And even feel free, like I mentioned, write in the comments below, put what other cryptos you would like to see us cover that we can potentially add to our rotation of analysis that we do cover on our YouTube channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video all the way through and hope to see you again in the next one. It's John with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.